We started a relationship with Infinite back in November of 2018. And as a company, Infinite Electronics really did not have any offshore presence, nor did they have any relationship with an offshore company. So we brought in a set of vendors and partners to come in and look at a few of our projects. And as a part of the selection process, we ended up selecting Orion. And I have worked with Orion in the past, so it really made it easier for us to work with Orion. That was a small project, and that project is still continuing on an e-commerce website. But since then, we have very quickly mushroomed to about 37, I would think, 37 people now at Orion, both onshore and offshore, with a heavy emphasis on offshore. We have branched off and we have moved into a lot more technology-related projects and technology-related initiatives within IT, and we have relied on Orion to build the expertise for us as we go. In the meantime, we have also helped the business. So as an IT leader, I have helped the business think more about offshoring some of the tasks and some of the initiatives. So we also have a business initiative that's going on in conjunction and in parallel to the technology IT initiatives. So the question is, how did we grow and how well are we doing? We have grown a lot faster than I would have expected. I was always concerned that the speed of growth would end up having issues within either the department or the company, and we have not faced that. We have had a learning curve in me wanting to make sure that my team understands offshoring, what it means to work with a team of people that are completely far away and almost 12 hours in terms of a time zone away from where we are. But our team has embraced it. Our team has done well. In fact, with the help of Orion and Orion's leadership, we presented a almost $22 million 5-year roadmap for an infrastructure overhaul for Infinite. And it was very well accepted. So it just shows that we are not using the offshore team just for doing our everyday tasks, but we are also using the offshore team for their expertise, for their knowledge, and to help us grow that we really can't find it within ourselves and we don't have the expertise. The visit I have here today and for the next few days visiting other offices is clearly to learn more about Orion, but for me also to figure out where are the skill sets and the expertise that we lack and where we need to grow, that we can continue to work on a on-site, onshore, and an offshore model for Infinite. The scale at which we are growing, as a company, we want to grow into $1 billion company. We are at about 340 million today, 350 million. If we were to grow, then I'm not able to exponentially continue to hire people, and these resources are not available in the US and in other places around the globe. So for us, it is a long-term relationship that we are looking at with Orion, and maybe even with Orion's alliances that they may have within India in some of the other technologies we're looking at. So I have a deep sense of gratitude, so thank you for helping out, and I hope to come back and talk more about this in the future.